Welcome to the 30-Day Weight Loss Challenge. A healthy weight is crucial for overall well-being. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves energy levels, and enhances the quality of life. Maintaining a healthy weight also positively impacts mental health and self-esteem. This 30-day weight loss challenge is designed to provide a structured approach towards achieving a healthy weight. In this video, we'll guide you through every step to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear goals. Setting realistic and specific goals is key. Write down your goals and the reasons behind them. Step 2. Assess your current lifestyle. Understand your eating habits, activity level, and sleep patterns. Track your food and activity for insight. Step 3. Plan your meals. Focus on balanced eating with whole foods. Create a meal plan with proteins, veggies, fruits, and healthy fats. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Water aids weight loss and overall health. Increase water intake throughout the day. Step 5. Start moving. Regular activity supports weight loss. Try beginner-friendly workouts or activities. Step 6. Monitor progress. Track weight, measurements, and energy levels. Celebrate small victories along the way. Step 7. Overcoming challenges. Use mindful eating and stress management techniques. Step 8. Adjust and refine. Adapt your plan as needed. Listen to your body and make necessary tweaks. Step 9. Prioritize sleep. Sleep affects weight loss and well-being. Create a sleep-friendly routine and schedule. Step 10. Finish strong. Push through the final days of the challenge. Draw inspiration from success stories. Congratulations on completing the 30-day challenge. Remember, this journey doesn't end here. Keep these habits for lasting success. Thanks for joining the 30-day weight loss challenge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.